2006 Ford F-150 XL. It's the work truck model. I installed three things on it. I installed power locks on it. I put a remote start on it and a push button start on it. So excuse me, dirty. Like I said, it's a work truck. Nothing real fancy about it. Didn't have any power locks. As you see, don't have any switches for it. Didn't have any power windows. And my daughter said she got stuck in it one day, and because she couldn't realize how to unlock the doors, because these kids today, they got it made, power this, power that. So I decided to put some on it anyway. Let me show you how it worked. Like I said, I tied it into the Viper. It does have a remote start on it, which I'll show you in a minute. Lock, unlock. Show you lights flashing. All right, before I get to the remote start, show you a little bit about the wire. It was okay. It's not really too bad. What I did was on the primary harness for the Viper, I used only the ground and the light switch, which you just saw. It's a white wire that goes to the switch, which is a brown wire on the 2006 F-150. And on the remote starter harness, I used the black and white wire, which is the parking brake wire. I ground it to the chassis, to the body of the truck. The tachometer I used virtually. I didn't use one. The brown wire for the brake shutdown is the green wire on the truck above the brake. It's in the switch. I didn't use the hood pin, and I didn't use rear defroster, whatever that is, whatever. On the main harness, which is all your power stuff, it had two red, which is your 12 volt input. That goes to a light green and purple wire. The second ignition, which would be a yellow wire in the truck, is pink and white. The accessory wires was black and light green in the truck, and you hook the orange wire too. Now this is the Viper 4105. It might be different for other ones. I don't know. This is the one I got. The purple wire goes to the start output, which is the red and light blue wire. Excuse the chicken scratch. And the pink wire goes to the ignition one, which is a dark blue and light green wire. Second harness, the satellite harness, I didn't use the door locks. I had to run it with relays. Like I said, these were aftermarket door locks that I put in there. I had to get a little help with that. I watched a lot of my man with UNLT, Auto Impressors UNLT Unlimited. He's out in Dallas, Texas, and he helped me out with the door locks, getting them to sync with the Viper. And then I didn't use the D2D, and I didn't use the bit writer. So all in all, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10, 11 wires for the remote start on the Viper, for the Viper. I don't do this. This is just something I thought was real cheap. I paid $45 for the remote start. I paid like $20 for the push button that I installed in there, and the door locks. It was $9. So for everything that I wanted to do, I thought it was kind of cool. But on to the remote start. Remote start. You hit that button. Truck cranks up. Lights come on. Lights come over. Lock the door. Get in. As you can see, stand. You know how remote start is. So there's no all the factory stuff still works. If I want to cut it off, just hit the button again. Cuts off. Everything is off. That light on because I opened the door, of course. And then with the push button start, you know, get in, and it does have remote takeover, which I'll show you in a second. Push button start, come in. As you can see, it's no key right there. See that? All right. So you hit the button once. Radio's on. Hit it again. Air and everything comes on. Put your foot on the brake. Fires it up. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Cut it off. Put your foot on the brake. Cut it off. Everything shuts off. I'm gonna show you the you know, after you remote start your car and get in your car after it's done warmed up or whatever, and you come out. I'm gonna go ahead and remote start it. Start up. So you come out, get in, shut the door. As you notice, the button is not on. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit it once, gonna hit it twice like you normally do, put your foot on the brake, hit it, and you'll see the radio go out and it comes back on, and you're ready to go. And just to show that it does work, go in reverse, back up, so you see me moving, go forward. Steering wheel is unlocked. And then to cut it off again, like I said, just put your foot on the brake, cut it off, cut the lights off. Hope this helps somebody. Like I said, I'm not a pro, just messing around. And thanks for watching.